Okay, there's the Cotai Strip on a Sunday night. You can see Morpheus, City of Dreams, Londoner, Parisian, Studio City, Venetian. Over there is Galaxy, and we're kind of in this little roundabout area like that. So we're gonna walk around the roundabout and also go into the Cotai Strip. And you got this beautiful apartment building that overlooks all of it. Those are great views up there. Sometimes I filmed up there, and I can get all of this easily. Okay. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So yep, here we are. Let me just look over here real quick. So I want to show you Taipa. There's a big area where all the residents live, and you can see it right here. And actually we just did another street where we went up this one right here. So but that was a separate video where we came down this way. I might put it in both videos, so if you see it in the other video, that's why. So basically this one right here is all of Taipa. There's all these tall buildings everywhere, and you can walk between these residential areas to the Cotai Strip. Doesn't take very long at all. And right here is this giant ecological park. There's Taipa houses, those little things lit up over there. This right here is an incline, so you can go up on that hill and overlook everything as well. It's really beautiful, especially with the sunsets or sunrise too. There's the Galaxy. Galaxy keeps expanding more and more all the time. And we're gonna walk down this way and kind of show you what else is around here. And a couple of things you're gonna see right now is this university right here, Macau University of Science and Technology. There's our Cotai Strip right there. So there's a lot of kind of cool things in a close proximity. That mountain right there also comes on this side, so you can walk around this side and you can overlook the airport and you can watch the planes come and go. Good for kids. There's a park up there as well. So this is Macau University of Science and Technology, and that right there is a very famous Morpheus building. And I've always thought that that building was kind of tragically positioned in the wrong place, because well, right here there's City of Dreams right behind it, which blocks the view, and there's kind of some casinos that aren't focused on this building at all. And then this one is focused on MUST, and there's this kind of dead space right here. And then up there is kind of mountain, and you can't really see that very well from here either. So I've always thought that this building was the one of the most beautiful buildings, but one of the most misplaced buildings with the worst tragedy, because so few people can actually see it in its beauty. It's really unfortunate. Let me see. So we're going to keep on going. I think that I think they might be students, probably. It must. But yeah. And then this is right next to the City of Dreams. And then behind this, there's some other casinos too. There's I think it's MGM, I believe. But MGM is the way some of these casinos are placed. You know, you don't really look out into this building. It's kind of like a, you know how casinos are, they kind of try to make it so that when you're gambling you really have no awareness of the time. That's interesting. I haven't really seen this before. I guess that's part of part of the university. There's City of Dreams, and actually this Cotai Strip, it's kind of different than the Las Vegas Strip. The Las Vegas Strip is predominantly one long street with the casinos that run all the way from downtown all the way out to the rural areas almost. But this one is more like, the strip is more like casinos all the way over there as well, and then this is kind of the main strip, in how I think of it anyways. And then there's a lot more casinos over there too. There's Galaxy, Broadway. Well, I guess it's not a lot more, but there might be in the future, because they keep building in different ways. Let's get this one. Looks like we can go right in now. Push the G button. Yeah, you can see there's our type of buildings all the way over there. Then we're going to come out shortly down by the Cotai Strip, right in there. So get a little taste of Macau. You hear that? That's in English, right? It's actually interesting. It's English and English and Mandarin. it's funny that they're not using Portuguese and Cantonese because everything else in the city is Portuguese and Cantonese. Well, not everything, but you do hear English and Mandarin everywhere, of course. But the two, but anyways, I think people know that this is a Cantonese speaking area, predominantly with a lot of influence and a lot of people that come down here for jobs from mainland China and to visit as well. So I guess having Mandarin is essential, as is English, because of people that don't know Chinese. So here we are on the Cotai Strip. Right over there is City of Dreams, and there's another big walkway here, and I generally don't see that many people walking up and down the street, not like Las Vegas. I think partly because, you know, you have all these massive Cotai Strip buildings, casinos, right? And actually some of them are connected, so you don't even have to go outside. And I kind of feel like, but if you were to walk around in a certain area and get more crowded streets, it'd probably be over that side. Sometimes over here too. Sometimes I'll dash across to get over to the Venetian. But Venetian has a walkway that connects to Londoner, so that's pretty popular. It's just to stay inside, and you can actually get from Venetian, Parisian, and Londoner now. Becomes a City of Dreams. It's interesting that there's this big thing right here, but I'm not really clear exactly what's in there. City of Dreams, lots of suitcases. So we still have a lot of tourism in Macau, all from mainland China. So a lot of people are going home for the weekend, I guess, and their trip is finishing. You got these beautiful trees as well. Yeah, it's funny because when they see foreigners, I think they think Macau is open to foreigners, but it's not. If you see foreigners, it's because they're either permanent residents or because they've never left. It's a COVID era, so I don't know when people will see this. You know, it could last time, could last times of, what do you call that? Test of time. It's kind of beautiful though. It could totally change. It could be like crowded with people in the future, but I don't know where they would go. Like Las Vegas, you have all this stuff on the streets and all kinds of doors that are open, and you have small casinos that are on the streets. And this one, you just have like, you know, this one big massive one here that goes a lot of depth to it, goes all the way down to Wynn Casino. And then Venetian is another massive one. You know, it's like each one is its own little world. So it's a little bit difficult for people to the casinos. I think it'd be a lot of work for them to build up this central area, but I think if they did, it would be very rewarding. I think they would bring in a lot of people, because a lot of people walk down these streets but they don't really know where to go. If you go down in the City of Dreams right there, you just go into the shopping area. It's a Galaxy. I mean, they all have casinos and shopping. It's basically what they all have. And a lot of them are kind of, I feel like they're very repetitive. Let's see. I guess we can go this way. And now we got the Londoner. I'll probably go into the Londoner actually. Yeah, there's the Mac store. So I'll probably go right in the Mac. I should walk the whole strip for you guys, but there's just so much different directions to go. There's Wynn Palace down there, and there's Grand Lisboa Palace further on. There's MGM that's down there, and then of course the main strip right here is a Londoner, and Parisian and Parisian. So we're just going to go up to this platform, and then you can see a lot of it from up here too. I think later we can go into that space over there as well, but I'll probably create a different video for that. And right over there is a Londoner, and lots of construction to Londoner. It's going to be quite interesting when they've finally built it. And there's the Venetian and the Parisian. Sorry, Venetian and Parisian. That's all the construction they're doing over there. Okay. And that's the Cotai Strip. So we walked part of it. We didn't walk all of it because I want to do something different, but I think that it's hard for people to view it for a really long time. That's the backside of Morpheus. So the Morpheus is a really beautiful building, but I always feel like this one on this side, you know, there's that used to be Hard Rock Cafe, that circular one, like now it's City of Dreams, but they kind of block, it kind of blocks the backside of it, and that street right there isn't really that good for it either. Some birds up there. Okay, so hope you like this little side of kind of cool. Nice night out too. Okay, so I guess we'll end it right there on the Cotai Strip. Hope you like this one. If we did walk it, it's kind of difficult because there's all this construction over there, and then over to the other side there's a park. Looks like something in Paris, and then it goes to like a dead space for up until a long ways. And then these ones we can see already on the right. There's a nice thing right there. I'm probably gonna go into the Londoner, and then I'll go across that way anyways. So okay, hope you like that one. Chiquinha, chiquinha. Go check out the room. Oh, hey guys. 3 things: like, subscribe, make some comments below. It'll really help out my channel. All right. Chiquinha, chiquinha.